Hi, welcome to my Dell Optiplex 790 build upgrade guide. To begin, I'm going to unplug everything that's connected to the PSU. Once that's out of the way, I'm going to take my drill and take out the PSU. There you go. Once the screws are out, I can now take out the PSU, so I can put in the new one. After we have the PSU out, I'm going to take out the graphics card. Once that's done, now we get ready to do the upgrading part. I'll be upgrading the old graphics card with an RX 580 4GB and replacing the power supply with a higher 730 watt one that can run it. It's a little bit overkill, but it works for me. Once that's done, I'm going to latch this thing back in. Now that the graphics card is in, I'm going to put in the PSU. This PSU I have is pretty big, so I have to mess around with this slide right here so I can get it in. Got it. Now I'm going to put the screws back in the new power supply. Once I get the power supply in, I am going to plug everything back in. Because I had to take out the hard drive cage that was right here to put in my graphics card since it's pretty big, I'm going to put the hard drive up in this little area right here with this piece of foam to help it keep it secure. Once that is in, I'm going to connect the SSD drive to it. I'm going to put the SSD drive right on top, right here. I put some blue tape on it so it would stick. And once I have it connected, I'm going to put it in this little pocket right here. This little area, that is. Now that I have everything installed, all I have left to do now is cable management, which I will use this zip tie for. And that's it. I did my best I could with this build video. I don't normally do any videos like this, so sorry if I missed a few things.